Hello everybody, we're walking down to get our bikes. It's gonna be a hot day today, so we're trying to ride early.
Yeah.
That's what happens in the summertime, you gotta ride early, otherwise you fry. And it's been around 100 degrees here, so yeah, been really dry. We haven't had rain for a long time, but hopefully we'll get some this weekend. But we're going down, getting our bikes, and gonna go on a nice 20-mile ride today. Is that right, Ma?
Yes, we are.
Ain't that right, Ma?
Ain't that right, Paul?
Yep. So, and it's a beautiful morning. The sun's shining.
Oh, it's gorgeous.
I think it'll be a little hot probably, but we'll see.
Oh, not for me.
Not for Mama.
It'll be perfect for me.
It'll be perfect for Mama. Yeah, she finally got rid of her snowsuit.
Hey.
Oh, she's in the land with the living now. She's always so cold.
I am cold.
And I'm always so hot, which
Yeah.
makes it interesting sometimes. She sleeps on her bed with a bunch of quilts. And I'm over there with just a sheet.
Yeah, well.
Well, here's what the bike looks like. You can see my tire's really bald. I've got about 5,200 miles on that bald tire. But add 8,000 miles on there and you'll get my total, because I turned it over. And our adventure starts now. Yeah, head up the driveway here. I can make it up this hill. Oh, it's much more fun riding in the summertime than it is in the winter, even if it's hot. Because when you ride, you get a nice breeze when you sweat. So it makes it so it's nice. But it does get hot sometimes. See here, the raccoons are just tearing up this corner here. Look at that. I don't know if you can see it because of the shadow, but they're just tearing up this corner. And we told the farmer about it, and he said, well, the raccoons got to eat too. So he wasn't concerned about it. He said they usually want to get the outside edge, so he wasn't worried about it. And I got my thing over my face because I don't want to be in the sun because of sun damage on my face. Doctor said not to be in the sun, so try to stay covered now. But, and that was something that happened before I started bike riding, so it's not because of bike riding. Am I going slow enough for you? Gotta take off and leave her in the dust all the time, so I'm trying to go slow today. So you can keep up with me when I'm not slower. In fact, you have to wait for me. These dogs up here haven't been out the last 4 or 5 times I went by, but because Mama's with me, they'll probably come out. That's how it seems to be. The dogs haven't been out for a long time, but because you're with me, they probably will. keep up with Mama on 4. Be meeting the wife here pretty soon. There she is. Car behind me. Yeah, here I am again. I passed Mama back there, so maybe by the time I go up here and back, she'll be at the end of the road here for me. Almost made that corner too fast back there. With my bald tires. It was making a lot of noise going around there. I was hoping I wasn't gonna hit no gravel. I need to adjust my brakes a little bit too, but I'm gonna be putting new brakes on here soon when I change my tires, so I keep putting it off because of that. But who knows, I may put another 1,000 miles on my bald tire. As I get to the top of the hill, the tire goes flat. No, not really. Now let's see if we timed it right. See if we timed it right. She's probably halfway to the corner by now. Or she'll be right here. I don't see her. Corner and see if she's down here. Nope. There she is. Up at the corner waiting for me. Should have stayed down here in the shade. How long do you have to wait? Waited back there in the shade.
Yeah, but I didn't know where you were at. I was looking at my phone to see where you were at.
Oh, okay.
Then I saw you coming.
Okay. Yeah, I thought you'd be waiting for me there. I thought you might beat me to the corner, but I'm not fast enough, I guess.
I didn't know for sure if I was fast enough. That's why I got waiting in the corner.
Yeah. Deer, but it's a dog. Hey, buddy. I thought it was a deer.
Somebody dropped off the doggy. He looks like a nice doggy. Can we go get him?
I don't think so.
Oh, okay.
I don't think so. That's what passed me on the hill again. And I hit every hole. What do you think, Ma?
It was beautiful today. It was really nice.
Yeah, I got worm.
I didn't get warm.
No, of course not.
I mean, it was
How many miles you go?
I was comfortable.
How many miles?
19.8.
19.8. I got 20.3, so that's half a mile further than you.
Yeah, sorry.
Almost 20 miles.
Almost 20 miles by .2.
Yeah.
You know?
All right, this is Papa Blue Shirt and Mama Blue Shirt. May the good Lord take a liking to you.
May the good Lord take a liking to you.
Hallelujah.
May He spread His blessings on your trail.
Hallelujah.
May He be your guide anywhere you ride, and be always your host when you're needing Him most. May the good Lord take a liking.